Okay friends, first of all we need user listing and we need a link. For link we will create a route. So first of all go to your route web.php. Under admin middleware you will create a new route, call it user. Only get, I think, or you can use view. Yes, you, if our admin click on users it will open admin.users. Under admin we will create a new blade file, users.blade.php. Okay, now go to your master of admin. Here you have a li link. Add a new link for users. Here also you can say users. Go to browser. Here is your link as empty, no problem. Open index and you can copy all of and paste new blade file and change the heading. Here is users. Let me show you view. Here is our user. We will display here our table and everything. So for table I will copy this table design. Okay, this table design, just copy, paste here inside content table tr. Here close. Inside the tr you will say name of user, and let me make it th and email. Status we will add soon, and action for something, change th. Okay, and here you will say tr close. Inside this some data that will be dynamic. Copy, that's it. Reload. Here is your user data. Here you will say button plus VPN success, and here you can say action, save it. VPN fill. That's it. Now we need data of all users. Here is user table. Go to web.php. Here you will add array data, or here is you will say app user all. Not this sign is not okay. Reload. Here inside the user you can display your data. Let me show you. Here is your user data. And here started for each data as user. And for each display user name, user email, and user status we will add here. Okay, email sign. Reload. Here is something. Okay, before tr you have to add this. That's it. Here is your old user, but I think I need a where condition also. Here you can add here where condition like where role not equal to admin and get. Okay. Comma reload. Let me check my data. Here is a role user role equal to, if I say role equal to, then no. Let me check. Here is a role equal to. I can say not equal to. That's it. Let me. Okay. Where is row equal to empty? I think one comma is extra. Save it. Null. What is? Okay, you can do it here. Just remove this, and here you can say. Let me guess who is role under user role. Ed close. Here you can see this role is admin. That means here role is empty. So let me finish that scenario. For status, add a new column. You can add by terminal also, and you can add this type also. Add a new column, name it status, and it will be boolean. Save it. Boolean by default 0. If it will be 1, that means it is banned. That's it. Okay. Now here you will say if user status equal to 0, then we will say something else, and if here we will say no, we will say that means user is banned. Okay, and here uh, you can say here is login. Disable. Here you can say enable. because by default is 0. 0 means this user can log in. Reload, enable. Let me add any status like a Kader is a 1. That means this person can't be logged in. Okay, here is disable, enable. Now we need to change this status. So for that, after this login status, you will add here a select inside this option value option. Here you can ask from this loop like a option value enable, or enable you can say 0, enable option, and disable is 1, so you can say disable plus control perform control, and id you can say uh, login status. Reload, here user admin can enable disable. Okay, so that value will be show there. Okay. Hmm, let me remove this class, it's so fatty. Okay, that is fine. B R for break, here is fine. Now we need here B tag, B class alert success. Reload, here you can see alert. Yeah, that's it. Okay, but I need only color, so I will say style color green, and here also we need B tag style color red. Reload, here you can see is disable, it's enable, it's disable, enable. Okay, now we need to make this runnable. So for that you can copy something from your products, not here, actually products table is addable. Okay, here you can see, here is the actual line which you will add here. You will say script, here you will add, sorry, and you will say your id login status dot change, then you will say function inside this alert. Reload, let me check if you have any error. Okay, something is missing. Let me check my ad product. Ah, this is reload. Okay, that's fine. Now change. That's fine. Here you will alert value of status. Okay, status will be login status log value. Here is your status. Now change. Here is one. Here is nil. Now you can say here option value by default 0. Select the option and option is closed. Inside here, if status says empty, you will say alert, please select a option. That's fine. Else, in the else part, you can say here is reload. That's fine. If I change to this, then please select the option. That's fine actually. Now we need to update this value. For that, I will start here. Reacts. Here you need URL admin and no and user and data. Data you will say status equal to plus status. Okay. Success console log data updated, or you can say is status updated. Now we need this one. Okay, this is a route. You will say then user. Here is admin controller and user. Open your admin controller. Here you will create a public function ban user function and request return request all. That's it. Okay, inside the user you have to put here type, I think, get. Let me see if I have any error where, okay, here you need one more sample. Reload, inspect element, reload, change the value. Okay, status update, because we are nothing showing here, so you will change this response, and here also response. Reload, disable. Here is your status. Only status is going. That's why uh, we need to pass user ID also. Okay, user ID. You will say input type test ID. ID is user ID. I think value. You will say user dot reload. Here you will see text box. Just make it hidden because we need only this ID. Go to your script. Here user ID dot value and pass this like this and sign user ID equal to user ID. That's it. Reload. If you will reload, and you can see is user ID 1 status is now this is disabled. Okay, if you reload this one, because here is problem is we need ID every time, so that's it. We need to update this value. Okay, for that open for each. You will say data has users for each and for each, sorry, and for each, and here you will put user, only user, I think, user ID. Here also you will put user ID. Why? I will show you. Inside this ID you have to change it, just user ID. Let me show you in inspect element. Okay, here you will see here is user login status ID 1. Fine. uh, any other, you will see user login status 1. Now check the your script. Here is your script is login status 1, login status 2. That's fine. You need this user ID also. Let me reload again. Open inspect element and open. We have an error here. Okay, we need this one after this. Reload. Nothing is problem. Enable. You are getting your user ID. Here is also user ID 1 status, because you have to update user ID also. So for that just add here user id. Same thing you will do with your id. Here your user id, user id. Reload. Now enable disable user id 1, enable user id 2, disable user id 3, make it enable user id 1. That's fine. Now we need to update this value. Mm, Here inside that you will say status, okay, and user id request user id. I'm sure spelling is not mistaken from here. We need this user id here. Okay, now you will update your update status db table name users where id equal to user id update update with array. Here you will say status. That's it. If update status done, then you will say status as status updated successful. Reload. Open inspect element to see the console value. Reload again. Enable. Here I am getting the error. Okay. Uh, Syntax error, I think. 107 double line. 107. Okay. Update. Oh, I'm sorry. It's not the array bracket. That's it. Reload. Change the value of dropdown. Enable. Again error. 109. Okay. Inside the array, we don't need method status does not exist. 97 double line. It's not a method actually. Reload. Change that this time is final. Huh. Status cannot be null. User ID 1. Okay. You have to change it. Status by default null actually. Here is by default null. Save it. Now you will see status value. Okay. Reload. Open it. Make it enable. Status update successfully. Let me reload this and you will see status status is empty. Okay, let me see what is going inside this header. Status is 0. Okay, you have to put here status or let me make it update and it will go to here And here also it should be 0, not null. Hmm, Reload is unable now because it's not 0. That's fine. Make it disable. Reload your MySQL table. Okay, it's going 0. If I put here 1, reload, make it change the value, and here is 1. That means our value is not coming from, we are not getting here status. Just comment it to debug this line echo reload enable, and you are getting nothing, but you are getting user ID. Sorry, reload change. You are getting this, but you are not getting status. Okay, I think I have mistake in my script. Save it. Go to user. Here you will see what's going on. Status. Status going. Mm, we change it. Where? Reload. Change the value. Reflected. Okay. Reload. Disable. Network. You can see what going on. Status is what? Actually, it's passing here, but it's not going that way. Hmm, Reload, disable, status successfully. That means let me echo this. Okay, you can do one more thing. Comment this and return request all. Okay, that's where you can see what we are getting. Okay, we are getting status. Actually, this is if underscore. Why we are not getting this? Here is the status test. Okay, I think this is the error. Let me see. Open it. Echo this. Comment this line. Reload. Make it enable. Okay, you are getting this. The error this one we are spacing here. Okay, we don't allow to state spacing there. Just uncomment this and check your data is updated or not. Reload, make it enable. Okay, no, here is status. Reload, make it enable, and status is successfully is enable now. Okay, now you need here button also. Let me show you. Uh, Here is the role. Mm, this input we will hide it. Okay, wait. You can add here div. Okay, div id show. You can say select. Here you can put here button simple id selective. Sorry, is selective. And here show select button. That's it. We will make it by default hidden, but when this button is clicked, then we can show it. Okay, by default, this button hidden, but when you can say when show div is click, then you can show that. Okay, you can make it show it. Reload. Mm, okay, you have to put this inside for each. Okay, and here you will put this id to both of this div IDs. Okay, and here also you will put this id to this div and this div id. Reload. Okay, hidden is not function. Oh, hidden is not function. Hide is function. Hide. Reload. Show. Okay. Uh, this click function. Okay. Hash. Reload. And you can see is this one. You can see. Okay. Now I make it enable. Reload is now enable. Make it button more beautiful. Mm, change status. And we need class here. btn primary btn field. Okay. Enable change the status. Change status disable. Reload. Now it is disabled. Now this is fine. For now, that's it. Next video we will change login controller according to login status. Now you user can enable disable anyone, and now we have a two user with disable, and that is you can check in status value. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you.